Hello everyone. Today we will study about decimal number system and expression of large numbers in the standard form. So let's start. Decimal number system. In decimal number system, exponents of 10 starts from a maximum value and go on decreasing by 1 at a step from the left to the right up to 0. It means decimal number system में वैल्यू ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ 10 मैक्सिमम वैल्यू से शुरू होकर हर स्टेप पर 1 डिक्रीज होती जाती है लेफ्ट से राइट जाते हुए. We can write each number in its expanded form and then it can be expressed in the powers of 10. For example, this number can be expressed in the expanded form or by using powers of 10. For expanded form, we can write it like this, and this expanded form can be written as by using powers of 10 like this, that is 4 multiply 10 raised to power 7, because there is 7 zeros, so we can write it as 10 raised to power 7, plus 3 multiply 10 raised to power 6 plus 8 multiply 10 raised to power 5 and so on. Here value of exponent of 10 is decreasing at each step like this up to 0. Expression of large numbers in the standard form. It is not easy to read and write large numbers, but we can express large numbers by using exponents, which can be easily read and write. For example, Sun is located dash meter from the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Number of stars in our galaxy is this. Mass of the earth is this. So, it is not convenient to read these type of numbers. To make it convenient to read or write, we use powers or we can use standard form. This number is very large and this number is very small. So it is very difficult to read these numbers. So we use here standard form. Standard form is m multiplied 10 raised to power integer. Here integer can be positive or negative. M value of m is between 1 to 10. So this number can be written as 2.3 multiplied 10 raised to power 14. Here exponent of 10 is positive and the value of m lies between 1 to 10. Here value of exponent is negative and value of m is between 1 to 10. Expression of large numbers in the standard form. For it, the procedure is number 1, remove decimal point if any in the number. Number 2, put a decimal point leaving one digit from the left of the number. Number 3, now count the number of digits after decimal point. Number 4, multiply the number obtained by putting decimal to 10 raised to power number of digits after decimal. Here 2.3 multiply 10 raised to power 5 can be written as like this, and after solving we can get this number. This is an standard form because value of m lies between 1 to 10. This number not in standard form because this is an exponential form. Value of m does not lies between 1 to 10. Other number, that is this, also not in standard form because value of m does not lie between 1 to 10. Next number is in standard form because value of m lies between 1 to 10 and it can be solved like this. After solving, we can get this number. Scientific notation of numbers. Scientific notation involves moving decimals. The power of 10 value gives us key information about how many places to move the decimal point to make number values. For example, 3.7 multiply 10 raised to power 4. This sum can be solved like this. But to do it easy, we can do it like this also. That is, when the exponent is positive, move the decimal point to the right side. Here, the value of exponent is positive, so move the decimal point 4 to the right. That means we can write it 37,000. Remember that add zeros to fill the empty gaps like this. Another example is 5.8 multiply 10 raised to power minus 4. That means 5.8 divide 10 raised to power 4. So we can solve it by like this. Here we have to make the exponent positive, so we can write reciprocal. We can solve this sum easily by using this. Here, when the exponent is negative or dividing by powers of 10, move the decimal point to the left side. Exponent of 10 is negative, so move the decimal point 4 to the left side like this. That means answer is 0.00058. Remember that add zeros to fill the empty gaps. For example, there are some decimal numbers to change into scientific notation. Remember that move decimal point right or left to arrange one digit to the left of decimal point. Number 1 is 42314. We have to move 4 places left of decimal point. That means scientific notation is 4.2314 multiply 10 raised to power 4. Next is 5.7. Here decimal point is after one digit, so there is no need to move decimal point. So scientific notation is 5.7 multiply 10 raised to power 0. Next is 0.0000765. We have to move 5 places right of decimal point. We have to move right side, so exponent of 10 will be negative. That means 7.65 multiply 10 raised to power minus 5. Next is this number. We have to move 8 places left of decimal point. We have to move left side, so exponent of 10 will be positive. So scientific notation is 6.78 multiply 10 raised to power 8.